everyone and welcome to another video. My name's Amy if you're new here, and today we are going to be decorating my beauty studio tree and just general decorations around the beauty studio. Now I've not got too many decorations as I don't like to make it too cluttered, but if you'd like to see how I do it then just keep watching. So for the tree I just start by getting it out, getting the base on, and then just fluffing up the branches. I try and go up, down, left, right. It's kind of a rule of thumb, but then it kind of afterwards I've got it up, I'll just kind of go around and see which areas are looking sparse and then just fill them in as I go. I then grab some feather boas. I get my ones from Poundland and then just start placing the bigger ornaments. I also chucked on some leaflets on there just because this is my beauty business tree and I thought that actually looks really cute. I then just went round with all of the corresponding coloured baubles. I also put my personalised baubles that I made last year for the business on the tree, and then just kind of put all the decorations on. And then I forgot they hadn't put lights on, but we'll come back to that after. And then I finally put my star on the tree, which is basically just some nail swatches. Again, if you want to see this tree in more detail, then definitely check out last year's video, as this year was just a perfect repeat. So to decorate inside the studio, I've brought these snowflakes, and I'm thinking I kind of want to put these on the greenery wall just to kind of make it look a bit more festive. So I've got to untangle them. I'm thinking I will probably just kind of place them on, maybe put a cable tie on. The thing is, with this greenery, it's quite handy because you can kind of just press things in and then it quite often stays. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to start attaching these, probably with some cable ties, and yeah, let's do it. I also have my little salon elf who's got a cute little pink dressing gown. Now I probably won't change him many times around on what he's doing, but I think I will sit him up somewhere in a private place first. Maybe on my polishes over here we can sit him, I think, maybe. He can kind of sit in the corner there, guarding the little polishes. I think that's quite cute. You can sit there, and I'm sure he'll be causing lots of trouble throughout, but yes, that's that kind of corner. I'm thinking I've got some little trees I'm going to put on the windowsills. Let's do that now. So then for the windowsill, I've got these two little Christmas trees. I think I got these from the factory shop last year, so I think I'm just going to put one either side of the windowsill. I actually recently had a declutter in here. If you've seen my studio tour, you would have seen. But where I put the pictures up and the flowers in there, I didn't want anything to look too cluttered. So I actually took down a lot. So I've got these two other snowflakes, which I might place on here as well. I'm thinking maybe I can stick them on there. I'm not quite sure what to do with these ones. I think for now I might just stick them like that. I think they look quite cute. They've got quite a lot of fluff on them from the Christmas decorations, but I think that looks quite cute for the windowsill. That's it for today's video. I really hope you enjoyed it. If you did, don't forget to give it a thumbs up, comment what your favourite decoration is down below, subscribe if you're not already, and I'll see you guys in my next one. Bye!